welcome back to the channel. Today we have something extremely exciting that I've been planning for a long time, and if you've been following the channel, we've been planning this for a long time as well. This is a big dead giveaway. We are taking the WRX VB for its actual first track day. So we are going to Eastern Creek, Sydney Motorsport or Raceway, and we're about to head out now. I'm just going to go get some fuel just because we need to be full tank, and then we will go from there. So super excited. I haven't been on track in so long, so a little bit nervous, but I think we'll shake the nerves off after our first lap. So let's head out. The weather is perfect as well. I'm just extremely excited and not as nervous as I thought I would be. So yeah, now we're pulling up now, and then yeah, we'll talk about the specs of the car when we're inside, but it is pretty much bone stock. So if you guys aren't familiar with the WRX, it's pretty much stock standard. The only thing that I've done is the exhaust, C28s. I've kept the OEM tires, and I guess the biggest difference to factory is the height, the wheel alignment, and the BC coilovers that we're running, so BC RM. A little bit more aggressive than the standard coilover. It's nothing crazy, but we'll see how the car performs. Yes, yeah, that's the one. Yeah. Other than that, it's just STI styling kit, STI spoiler, and yeah. Another big thing is stock pads and calipers too for now, discs. I think that's going to be the first thing I change after today, but just wanted to test it, see how it goes. But yeah, that's a quick breakdown of the WRX. Quick little walk around before we go out. Yeah. Alright, so let's go for our first somewhat of a hot lap. Again, I'm not trying to break records here. It's just more just trying to understand the car and see what we need to change or what's already good on the car. So that's pretty much what today's been about. But straight away through the straight away is the car is just, the WRX is just so stable. I can carry a lot more speed through here. Just unfortunately I'm misshifted, but I am normally carrying a lot more speed through this corner too. Just coming up to this first left-hand corner. Again, the biggest downfall I would say is the brakes. Otherwise, I could brake a lot deeper into this corner and I could carry a lot more speed. But you could already see the all-wheel drive system and the steering is just extremely rewarding in this car. The amount you can adjust the car while cornering is just insane. Really confidence inspiring, and once you can keep the momentum going, just because I do feel like the other thing is the car's a little bit underpowered, just especially if you do break your momentum, it's a bit hard to continue or get the momentum back up again, because yeah, it just needs in my opinion 100 more horsepower. But the actual cornering, the stability, the chassis rigidity, the way that the steering feels, the way that the heel toe position is, no, the car's outstanding. I mean, the potential for the car itself is really there, and it's really rewarding to drive fast. The way that the gear shift feels, the way that again the steering and the confidence adjusting, it's even accelerating and finding your limits through corners is really fun with the WRX that I've found. But even coming into here, you just have all the confidence in the world to just flick the car, and if you know what you're doing, you know how to carry the weight through corners and adjust the all-wheel drive system with the actual throttle control and steering. It's just so rewarding with this car. It's just, again, it's lacking that bit of extra power. I'll say 100 horsepower to the wheels, and you need them Brembos. Other than that, it's fine tweaking and maybe some semi-slicks, and yeah, the car's amazing. But here I'm just going to be following an M2, nothing too crazy. I just wanted to see if we can keep pace. I do let off and on just because this is an amateur session and I don't want to pressure this guy too much. But yeah, watch this little lap and how we stay with the M2. Alright, so we just came back from our first time being on track, and I'm getting a new addiction to a new hobby. That was so much fun. There's so much room to improve, more on myself than the actual car at the moment, but there are a little bit of weak spots, of course, I find with the car. It's just the braking. I feel like I have to brake so far back. I can't carry my speed through. It's a bit scary. The car just feels like it weighs. It's not so much it weighs more. I just think my type of driving is not matching what the car's capable to do. So I think the first things are brakes. I think I want to do Brembos, then tires, and then I don't think I want to touch the engine that much at the moment. I think power wise it's okay for me. I just need to learn the track and learn how to drive and learn the lines better. I just think yeah, just a bit too aggressive at the moment. But we'll go out again, we'll start recording again, and we'll see how we do. I think I'm just going to ease it back a bit more and try to be a bit more smoother and see how the car likes that as well. Just follow through. I keep forgetting what gear I'm in.
Alright, so guys, that was it. That was the track day with the WRX VB. Again, modifications to the car, literally only coilovers, and that's it. Everything else is stock. We had a, I guess you could say a pretty decent, good, not really decent, but we did have a professional wheel alignment too, so that definitely did help. We lowered the car a bit, stiffened up the actual suspension and damping as well, which really you can feel the car through the corners. I think I could have made it a little bit stiffer, but I just wanted to just feel the car first, feel what it needed to, and then go from there. But yeah, at the end of it, we done probably 4 or 5 outings, laps after laps after laps. I think my brake pads are gone because it was smoking at the end of it. So yeah, what a freaking successful day. Hopefully the footage is good. But yeah, what a successful day, guys. Peace, and I'll catch you in the future video.